a number of people living in a country is called population. We all know that not only India, the whole world facing a big problem, that is the rapid growth of population. Today, July 11, globally observed as the World Population Day. This event was established in the year 1989 by UNDP. This day is observed for bringing awareness among people for about the impact of growing population and issues including gender equality and human rights.
Some opportunity to speak about China. China's population started to increase after the Second World War in 1949. China's government, they made a rules called they can make as many children as they can possible. That is just to increase their population and to improve their army and for producing more food.
I am Navya from 8th standard. I am talking about China. The People's Republic of China is the official name of China. China is a country in East Asia. Area of China is 9.6 million square kilometer.
From 6th standard. 5-star red flag is the national flag of China. Thank you. Next over to
from 7th standard. I am here to speak about population of China. The current population of China is 1.45 billion as of July 4, 2022. 1,450,432,613. In that, 738 million male. In 1990, 1.13 billion. In 2000, 1.26 billion.
From 6th standard, I am here to speak about currency of China. Renminbi is the official currency of China. Yuan is the unit of currency. 1 yuan is equal to 11.83 Indian rupees. This is the symbol of yuan. It is 8th most traded currency in the world.
I am here to speak about language of China. Mandarin Chinese is the language of China. Unique about this language is used to 4 different tones. They are flat, rising, falling, then rising and falling.
From my stand, I am here to speak about literacy of China. Adult literacy rate is 96.84%. Male literacy rate is 98.47%. Female literacy rate is 95.16%. China ranks 55 in the ranking of literacy rate. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Manya from 7th standard. I am talking about Bangladesh. It is a country in South Asia. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is home to the Royal Bengal tiger. Area of Bangladesh is 1.4 lakh square kilometer. Mr. Abdul Hamid is the I am Chetas from 4th standard. The red and green is the national flag of Bangladesh. Thank you. Next.
Fanusha from 6th standard. I am speaking about population of Bangladesh. The current population of Bangladesh is 167 million as of Monday, July 4, 2022. 167,969,137. Bangladesh population is equal to 2.11% of total world population. It ranks number 8 in the total world population. Around 389 babies will born in an hour. Around 100
from 7th standard. Bangladesh Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. 1 Bangladesh Taka is equal to 0.85 Indian rupees. Bangladesh has 8 currency notes. There are TK 5, 10, 20, 50 and 100, 200, 500 and 1000.
Nivita from 3rd standard. I am talking to national language of Bangladesh. Bengali is the national language of Bangladesh. Bengali has more than 1 lakh unique words. Bengali is called sweetest language in the world because it has simple vowels and consonants.
Today I am going to introduce a country India. India officially the Republic of India is a country in South Asia. It is the 7th largest country by area and the most popular democracy in the world. India is famous for largest democracy in the world, highest number of visual languages. World cricket ground, invention of chess. India capital city is located in New Delhi. It is the 7th largest country in the world, with a total area 32,87,263 square kilometers.
This is the national flag of India. Thank you. From 4th standard, this is the Indian one. There are 29 states there in India. Thank you.
Standard Indian population. India ranked at the 2nd place in world's population. The current population of India is 1.4 billion as of July 1, 2022. India population is equal to 17.7 of the total world. The population density in India 473 kilometers square. The made
From 5th standard, my topic is the official language of India, with English being the 2nd official language, and there is no national language, etc. And in
7th standard, Indian currency. The Indian rupee is the official currency of the Republic of India and is issued by the Reserve Bank of India. And there is a signature of the Reserve Bank Governor of India. The first rupee in India was introduced by Sheikh Shah Suri and the Bank of Even from 8th standard. My topic is education, and education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. India started 32 rank in the world education rank according to the 2021 survey. India was being witnessed a rapid inflection of turn of education.
Nigerian fiction. I am Chandana from Ganga House. Today I am going to introduce a country, Nigeria. It's top 7th country in the world population. It lies in Africa. Nigeria is the total area of 1,267,000 square kilometers. Abuja is the capital of Nigeria. Arise more compatriots is the Nigeria map. Thank you everyone. From 4th standard. This is the national flag of Nigeria.
From 7th standard. Population of Nigeria. Nigeria is the 7th largest populated country in the world. The current population of Nigeria is 21,63,79,540. Based on World Meter elaboration of the last United Nations data, the Nigeria population is equal to 2.64 of the total world population. The population density in Nigeria is 226 free kilometers to.
Nigeria language. English is the national language of Nigeria. The official language is English.
Standard Nigeria currency. The Naira is the currency of Nigeria. The Naira was introduced in 1973. 1 Naira is divided into 100 kobo. Kobo means coins. This is the Naira symbol of currency. Currency notes Naira 5, Naira 10, Naira 20.
Talking about education rank. Nigeria ranks number 171 in the list of countries by world education. Current literacy rate of number 1 Nigeria.
I am Saman from 8th standard LV English School. I am here to speak about USA country. The United States of America, USA, commonly known as the United States, US or America. America is a transcontinental country, primarily located in North America. It is the third largest country by both land and area. United States is a highly developed country. United States is the world's largest importer and second largest exporter. It consists of 50 states.
From second standard, I am Sikh Washington DC, President of United States, Joe Biden. From fourth standard, LV English School. This is USA flag. This is national flag of United States of continents of 13 equal horizontal stiffer of red and bottom. Myself Samika from 4th standard. I am here to speak about US population. The current population of United States of America 33,48,87,583. 5th standard, LB English School. I am here to speak about USA currency. This is USA currency symbol. This is USA currency. Introduced in April 2017, 92 to 30 years ago. Thank you one and all.
Hello everyone, myself Shania from 6th standard. I am here to speak about USA language. The United States does not have official language at the federal level, but the most used language is English, especially American English. United States, approximately 430 languages are spoken in United States. English 38.1% and Spanish 13.2%, other Indo-European language 3.7%, Asian Pacific language 36%, other language 1.2%. Thank you one and all.
Education rank, United States is the top one country in the education ranking. Thank you.
Going to speak about Brazil country. This is Brazil country. Brazil is the largest country in South America and Latin America and 5th largest nation in the world. Brazil capital is Brasilia. President of Brazil is Jair Bolsonaro. Sao Paulo is the largest city in Brazil. Myself Kushal from 7th standard. This is Brazil flag. Brazil flag is
Brazil population. Brazil had an official resident population of 21 crore 40 lakh in 2022. Brazil is the 6th most population in the world, the 2nd most population in the America and Western
from 7th standard LP English School. I will talk about Brazil currency symbol. This is a Brazil currency symbol. This is a Brazil currency. The Brazil seal of the official currency of Brazil. The currency symbol is RS. The central bank of the Brazil is the central bank of authority. The bank was started from RS to RS5, RS10. Thank you.
Myself Gautami from 6th standard. My topic is Brazil population. Portuguese is the official national language of Brazil. Brazil is most popular Portuguese-speaking country in the world. Thank you. My name is Purna Agowda from 3rd standard. My topic is Brazil education. Brazil is ranked 32 in the world education rank. Education in Brazil has had many changes. It was begin with just machines. From 4th standard. This is the Indonesia map.
8th standard. I am talking about Indonesia country. Indonesia officially the Republic of Indonesia is a country in Southeast Asia and Oceania between the Indian and Pacific Ocean. It consists of over 17,000 islands. Indonesia is the world's largest island country and the 14th largest country. By area, Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. Thank you.
I am Yodit from 6th standard. Red and white is the national flag of Indonesia. Thank you everyone. Good afternoon everyone. I am A. Pavani from 6th standard. I am talking about population of Indonesia. The current population of Indonesia is 27,93,21,000 as of Wednesday, July 6, 2022. Based on world meter elaboration is lost during national data Indonesia population.
From 8th standard, I am talking about Indonesia language. Indonesia is the world population. Malay. Indonesia is the fourth most populous nation in the world with over 275 million inhabitants.
I am talking about Indonesia currency. Indonesia currency is called rupiah. RP notes are in denomination of 100,000, 50,000, 20,000, 10,000, 5,000 and 1,000. Coins are in denomination of 1.
Indonesia education rank. Indonesia stands 54th rank in the world education.
From 4th standard is from 8th standard. Today I am talking about Pakistan country. Pakistan, it is the world populous Pakistan officially the Islamic Republic of Pakistan is a country in South Asia. It is the world 5th most populous country and Pakistan, it is the 33 largest country by area. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan.
From the standard, this is the Pakistan flag. My name is Mauludi. I am talking from Pakistan population. The current population of Pakistan is 22,94,89,182 as of Wednesday, July 6, 2022, based on world meter elaboration of the Lotus United Nations data. Pakistan population is equal to 28.4 of the world population. Everyone, I am a Khushi from 4th standard. Speech by Pakistan language. English is the official language of Pakistan. There are between 70 to 80 languages spoken in Pakistan. Thank you everyone. My name is Dhruv from 6th standard. My topic is Pakistan currency. The Pakistan Rupee Code PKR is the official currency of Pakistan. Signed 1948. The coin and notes are issued and controlled by the central bank, namely State Bank of Pakistan. Notes are in denomination of rupees 10, 20, 1500, 500, 1000, early use 5000 notes. Coin institution from 5th standard. I am talking about Pakistan education. Pakistan standard is 125 rank in the world education according to the 2017 survey. Current citizen rate of Pakistan is 58% according to the 2019 survey. Thank you.